Yo, Demarcus, Duhart, how you guys doing? Just a little market update. The S&P 500, SPY on the stock, or that's the ticker symbol for it. It is down right now. Well, actually, the S&P 500 is going up right now. If you place puts on it, you might be hurrying up just to sell it off to place a call. But I say you guys should be dollar cost averaging and basically making sure that you guys are waiting it out. If it's going up, it's always going to go down. And did a dead cat bounce earlier this morning, right at market opening. It jumped all the way up. So that might scare a lot of people. But for the most part, you got to realize that that's just how the market is. Now you can wait it out and it will go back down, and you can make money back on down on the downside, but right now it's going up. SPY is going up, and that stands for the S&P 500, America's top 500 stocks. Right now it's on the rise, so you can make money right now going up. It's, place a stop loss and stop limit, and also ride it going up. But right now, I just wanted to tell you guys that look out for that. Don't let loss aversion set in, and then at the same time, you guys start panic selling, and then you sell your stocks off, and now you got to start over. When you can just pivot when you need to. When you pivot when you need to, then you can make money going up and you can make money going down. But for the most part, I just want to tell you guys, it is about patience. Guys got to stay patient out here. Don't be jumping the gun thinking that you're just going to make some money one way, and then when it doesn't pan out, you hurry up and sell off your stocks, guys. No, you guys need to link in and lock in. This is a long haul. You can play it for the short game, but often the time you still want to play it for the long haul. That's what the stock market is about. Long money, not just short money. Long money, guys. I like it.
You gonna hop in and start it up?
Yeah. So yeah, man. Y'all guys out there, like and subscribe, and I hit you back. Peace.